So I just did some calculations. We are currently 2,499 miles away from Salt Lake City, Utah. We're here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. We are driving the Mark IV Toyota Supra 2,500 miles back to Utah momentarily. But first, welcome to E3 Custom. Guys, the Aventador Roadster, the pink Aventador Roadster, the custom interior is done. I just walked in off camera. I know. It looks incredible. We're back, baby. We're back. Now, if you guys did not see the video yesterday, we bought a 1987 Lamborghini Countach 5000 Quattro Valvoline. Now, unfortunately, because it has a massive fuel leak, we didn't drive the car, so it's staying here in Florida, and so consequently, we're driving a 25-year-old Toyota Supra. I'm buying classics. I bought a 91 Safari, a 1987 Countach, a 97 Supra. I'm like sophisticated. I got my white shorts on because the interior is white, though, on the Aventador. I know. Sorry. Let's go see the car. And then we drive to Utah, 2,500 miles. Luke's not happy, but I'm happy. I just realized there is a severe weather warning between here and Salt Lake City, Utah. We're driving a 97 Supra on summer tires that is rear-wheel drive, but as Luke's shirt would suggest, we're just gonna do it. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome here to E3 Customs. I'm so excited for you guys to see this Aventador. It is bright, and when I say bright white, I'm talking like Luke Terry pasty white bright skin. No, it is. White, bro. We're both white. It's January. Oh, yes. So off camera, Luke and I already stared at this interior. It is so gorgeous. It is absolutely mesmerizing. Now I'm gonna kind of sort of snake you. Oh, you saw a sneak peek. I'm gonna kind of sort of snake you guys. We gotta see this car under the Florida sun. It is gorgeous. It's I forgot how loud that is. The straight high frequency intelligent Lamborghini Aventador Roadster. This is my favorite car I've ever had in my entire life, and now it's gone one more upper echelon. This interior, I cannot wait for you guys to see it. Obviously, you guys remember the wide body kit is off at home because it wouldn't fit in a semi truck. That's why it looks kind of good. Well, without further ado, on the 6th of January 2022, it looks so sick. I cannot wait for you guys to see this. We have a white interior. Interior quite like this. Wow. It is glowing. It is so bright. Oh my goodness, that is absolutely gorgeous. It turned out so much better than I ever could have imagined. All the pink stitching and the pink seat belts look so crazy. Custom and Rosa Cantus, and of course that carbon fiber steering wheel. What have we done? Now, we went back and forth so many times on the dash. We decided to do the half black, half white because the reflections are gonna be so awful. That being said, it actually looks incredible because there's so many different black accents, and this Rosa Cantus, I've missed this car so much. It looks so crazy. Now, like I mentioned, we weren't able to ship it with the wide body kit because the car is too wide, and so that's why it looks kind of sort of goofy. Once we get the white wheels on, it is gonna completely change the game. I cannot take my eyes off of this interior. It looks so cool with the hexagon pattern, and of course we got the custom carbon fiber steering wheel. Now the hardest thing about this entire car is gonna be to keep it clean, but we have a solution, I think. Well, Luke, your birthday's not until March, but I got you an early birthday present. So you got the white painter's suit. That's the only way we can drive this car and keep the leather clean. I know it's kind of sort of crazy, but we actually don't have a choice. Luke is laughing at me right now because the reflections is so bad.
You can't see anything.
You can't see out of the car. Who are we gonna rear end?
Anybody.
Luckily I got a replacement bumper for this car because that is awful. What have we done? We didn't have a choice, so it looks so mesmerizing. Like everything is just glowing. Oh my gosh. Okay, we don't have gloves for the leather, so RIP. The pink seat belts are so dope. We look gorgeous, Luke. Look at that. That is actually incredible. That being said, my eyes are stinging because we just drove through the sun for like 2 seconds. It is so blind. We are blinded by the light. Say that again, Luke.
We look like astronauts in some fancy pink spaceship.
We are. That's exactly what we are. We're going to the moon today. This leather Alcantara carbon fiber steering wheel is so cool. And I love how the center stripe is not painted. That's actually wrapped in leather. Wow, this interior turned out so good. We got to figure out something for the reflections because as it stands right now, unless you're in the shade, it's effectively undrivable. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Look at these reflections. I don't know if the camera will do it justice. It's so bad. It's like 80 degrees in the humid. It is so hot in the suit. This car sounds so good. Come back. Let's go. Let's go. We look beautiful. We actually look like astronauts right now. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. And go, 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 go. So good. I love this car so much. This is gonna sound so pathetic. I have green eyes and they're very, very sensitive to bright light. They sting so bad. I don't think we can drive this car anymore. Like, we can only drive it at night. What are we gonna do?
I don't know, but it's fun. It's exciting.
Just a couple dudes in a pink Lambo with a white interior, wearing painter suit. Another day in the beautiful state of Florida. It is so hot. Like, it is desperately hot right now. The car though, oh my gosh, I miss this baby. It's hard to convey how bad the reflections are. I don't know if you guys can see, but oh my gosh, I think the car's faster. Oh, we're at sea level. We're at sea level. This car is so much quicker, that's insane. These cars are gonna ruin me. I've lost my hearing, and now I'm losing my eyesight. My eyes sting so bad, yet it is so worth it. The car looks incredible. This guy, Luke, I asked him to drive the car 5 feet. Parking brake. I got it. First gear, you good? Bro, you look beautiful. Oh my gosh, it looks even better in motion. Obviously, the car once has the white wheels. It goes so good. Do that again. Couple more, couple more. We're gonna get kicked out. Bro, it turned out so good. It's funny because the car looks so amazing, but it looks like a hack job because we have the cut fenders right here. Also, the glass on this Rosa Cantus. Every single detail about this car is absolutely incredible. Now, the one final thing we gotta do, we gotta paint that Rosa Cantus. That's coming soon. I can feel myself getting sunburned right now. First off, we got our Utah baby skin, but then it's almost like the snow effect where you get the reflections off the white leather up on this baby skin. It's not gonna be pretty tonight. I'm gonna have to lather myself with aloe vera. Unfortunately, I wish we could drive this car all day, but we have to drive 9 hours to Atlanta, Georgia. This is the final acceleration. This car is so fast. We're swapping this out for the Supra, the slowest car in the world. So one last acceleration. Oh, that was for Papa Strat. I really wish that my dad was here to see this car. It's so funny though because he would love the design. He would love the white interior, but he was the most practical human ever alive. And the white interior is so impractical. It's gonna be so hard to keep clean. You can't see out of it, but it's so incredible looking. It just turned out so well. I'm just so excited. Every single thing about this car has completely exceeded my expectations. The Rosa Cantus paint, the white interior, and of course that Liberty Walk wide body kit and the FY exhaust. And yes, the tags are expired. Don't worry about it, don't worry about it. Couple baby reps. Luke, cover your ears. Oh my gosh. Yep. Lamborghini Aventador, best car in the world. that car, I got so much dust in my lungs for that one rev. Oh my goodness, massive shout out to the boys here at E3 Customs. Guys, it just turned out so incredible. So next steps, we're gonna ship the car back to the beautiful state of Utah and then reinstall the wide body kit, the white Vossen wheels, and then the car is effectively done. It turned out so amazing. Another massive shout out to the boys at E3 Customs, but Burlack, you better be on your best behavior or your Challenger might look like that. It actually looks dope. Off camera, we just had Wendy's. I'm sorry to disappoint you, but on that bombshell, this has compound turbos. That's one turbo, and then another turbo right there. Yeah. Oh, she's kicked in. She's not bad. This is gonna take us a long time. We are headed to Alabama. Now, I've been going back and forth quite a bit. What do you guys think? Chevrolet is introducing the new Z06. Should we get the Z06 and sell the Phantom wide body? I love the wide body, but a Z06 would be dope. That's not a Z06, they don't even sell it yet, but I could get one. You can't even predict this stuff out of nowhere. What? Supra gang, my guy. That one is so clean too. What? Let's see it. Send it, send it, send it, send it. Oh my. Wow. Wow. Okay, yeah, we cannot compete that. So I have an idea for my Gladiator. What do you guys think? Should we put those bad boys on there? That'd be sick. Also, sorry. Anyways, we're almost to Alabama. So this is kind of sort of a crazy sequence in the vlog. We have arrived to the lake house.
Wow.
The lake house. We're at the lake house. This place is so sick. We've been following GPS for like the last 4 hours. I don't even know where we are. We're somewhere in like Georgia or Alabama or Tennessee. But the view here, boys, it is so sick. Oh, what are we doing here? What? We are just out here chasing those views on views. We have our own boat dock, bro. We got a boat dock. What? Unfortunately, it's like 15 degrees outside. The lake is effectively frozen. But look at this little tram. You actually take a tram down to the boat dock. Hot tub, baby. Hot tub. Hot tub.
Dude, infinity waterfall hot tub.
Bro. What? This place is so sick. What? How are we here right now? Look at it. I'm just like looking in the side of the camera screen right now. It's so oh, what's the water temp? Are we good?
Perfect,
we hot?
baby.
Hot, baby. There's no other person I'd rather share this hot tub with than Snapchat girl. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Not forget Snapchat girl, but hot tub with Luke Terry. Life doesn't get much better. Yeah. Now the house is absolutely breathtaking, but I think you guys might like what is in the garage even more. Luke, couple baby revs. She's warmed up. Couple baby revs. That's right. That's right. Tomorrow, ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow, today's video is over. Sweet home Alabama. Oh my gosh, we're 3 hours in.
We're like 10 hours
We gotta do the Countach in 2 months, okay? You gotta like figure it out, okay,
I'm
son?
sick
you gotta
that week.
figure it out.
That's my sick week. I gotta take
No,
off.
no,
I gotta,
no. I've denied your sick leave.
I'll be there for
You don't even
sure.
have any more sick days left. That's right, baby. We're back. Wow, my voice sounds off. Are you still recording, Luke? Yeah. You should cut all that.